Good day, sir. My name is Kenzo C. Broke, and I live in Barangay Palumpon, Leyte. I am 21 years old. For me, sir, for number one, I legalized for death penalty in the Philippines. The death penalty in the Philippines is a controversial issue. So, for me, I agree. In the Philippines, the death penalty is legalized because so many human terrorists or criminals are killed innocent people. So, I agree for Punisher for death penalty. So so God who knows our sins for the criminal, for the human terrorist. So criminals exactly know her sins to kill innocent people. So that's right to punish the death penalty.